Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I'm Robert Robinson and we're glad you're here. The purpose of this video is to showcase CertainTeed's Landmark shingle. This is a 30-year shingle and the color is Driftwood. The CertainTeed design is a dual layered design and it is meant to emulate true wood shake. Depending on the time of day, the lighting, and the angle at which you are viewing this shingle, it will definitely show some different colors. The description for Driftwood is a medium gray tone shingle with subtle greenish blues. As we get closer, you can start to pick up some of those colors. Driftwood is a great color that will match with many different aesthetic choices that you make on the exterior of your home. And it also allows you to pull from some of the colors that are in the shingles when you're thinking about your design now or in the future. Overall, you see that Driftwood does give a grayish appearance. We hope that this video may help you visualize what CertainTeed's Landmark Driftwood shingle would look like on your own home. Here you can really start to see some of those colors that lie within the pattern really start to pop. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you being here. As always, if you have questions we can answer, please do reach out to us. We're here and happy to answer. Everybody take care. Bye-bye.